Well, this could be it. Well, of course, the title said season finale, so, but basically I'm heading north in a week, we're heading north in a week and a half. So that'll be it for coming over here because I got too much stuff to do. In any case, today could be a bit of an additional adventure because we're going to really think about going out in distant ocean because that's where you catch really big fish. Like we have a lot of success catching littler fish in here, but we're going to go out and have the same unsuccess catching deep ocean fish. So, let's go. While we were headed out, trolling was in progress. The captain has got something big. Does he still have something big?
Yeah, still on there. It's kicking.
All right, bring the net.
Which side of me you want the net on? The right over there, I think, huh?
Yeah, probably. You got a firm grip on it. It hasn't let go yet. Well, it's not your run-of-the-mill
Catfish.
Mackerel or catfish, unless it's some...
No, it's just some big old, it's probably a gar or, big redfish. Huh? We'll see. I just want to get a look at it. I don't care if I land it. I want to see it. You get tangled in it yet.
Oh, there he goes.
Keep the net out until you're like, there he is, a gar. Look at it. It's a huge gar. Did you see him, Fred?
Yeah, I saw a little bit. It looks like about a 3 foot.
Too much sun, right?
We've got a trespasser. Don't eat it.
What, he's eating John's sandwich?
No, the annoli was.
There it is, Fred. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, we got away from you here.
Real as a piece of shit. Sorry. Beep!
Beep.
Whoa, that's a fish.
All right, Fred. Wait, not yet. Get under him.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get under when I get a fish.
Can you eat these things?
Yeah, actually. Zolfinger has a video on how to fillet them. No, Fred, no. You got to get him head first.
Oh, he is big.
Did you get that on tape?
Kinda.
Now he's on tape. Get him in, Fred.
Yeah, right.
We're going to need a bigger net.
Trying to get...
Grab him by the mouth.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, God, he must weigh 25 pounds.
All right.
Okay, there he is. Is he legal?
Sure.
Holy mackerel. Now what?
We gotta hold him up and...
Where's his mouth? Is that whole beak a mouth?
Yeah, look at those teeth.
That's one big fish. That'd be several meals there. It's gonna be hard getting him out of the net with his big snoot there. What a man!
Ah! How would this look mounted over the mantelpiece?
Unbelievable.
Turn around. Same shot.
All right, you're heaving him back, right?
Yeah, he's going back. He's too proud a specimen to turn into meat.
Yeah.
Mere meat.
All right, there he goes. All right. Yeah. So should we do all the usual macho high-fiving stuff, or?
All right, I'm the man.
Yeah, high five. Yeah. As you may tell, dear audience, we're macho men, but we don't feel the need to do the usual macho men stuff. We didn't win the Indy 500. We just caught a giant fish. That's all. Made the decision to go out some distance here because the conditions are quite calm and likely to remain so In fact, we may get into a glassy lake situation. But on our way out, I am trolling. See if we can replicate what just happened a few minutes ago. Well, we're about 5 miles offshore, and the distance is increasing because we've got one of these weird events where the wind is at our back right now. The prevailing winds are 5 to 10 miles an hour. But as they blow across the Florida peninsula, the land gets heated up and the air rises, and so air gets sucked in from the ocean. And the two meet, and basically it means we have calm winds out here. So it's fairly glassy out here. There might be some storms off in the distance accounting for these little swells, and it's a little featureless out here. So we've arrived at our fishing spot. We're in pretty clear water, about, I don't know, 10 miles out, I guess. And if you look that way, you can see land. No, you can't. It's below the horizon.
There's the nuke plant over there.
Now the Yucatan is that way. And all the fishermen were kind of by ourselves out here. It's a little odd. So this is clear water out here. It's not that kind of murky algae sort of water in close shore. So I'm fishing with a big fat lure with a giant hook. See what happens. All right, we moved a little bit because we looked at a distance and there is a giant herd of small fish and something is tearing through them. You can just see it out there. And they we're trying to cast into the middle of that. Oh man, they are, what a sight. Wow, looks like a miniature tuna. Oh, he's bleeding like a pig too, poor guy. That got somebody's attention. What do you think? That looks like
Pompano or something.
yeah. Hope he does well after that experience.
I'd keep them because those are good eating, but I don't know what the rules are.
Yeah, right.
Don't want to get arrested.
Hey, there's a little something. So we're in the fishing's little miniature aquarium today. A lot of action, a lot of fish. And if you were at a lake someplace and you want to catch 10 of these, you could make a meal. All right, we're watching a big school of fish headed this way. They're probably small ones, like 6-8 inchers.
You know, there's been reports of bluefish out here.
They're stirring up the water. Yeah, guys are catching blues. And they jump every so often. They're heading right at us.
The keeper sea bass.
Oh, Captain's got something here. Sea bass.
Quick,
Whoa.
Fred, get the regs on sea bass. I think he might be a keeper.
I don't eat them.
Tag grouper.
Black sea bass.
All right, we got to read the regs here to see if we can keep this guy.
Heck, drum. Atlantic 13-inch, Gulf 10-inch.
Okay, well, let's see. Hey, no.
Here, you get up here. Come on, up on the couch. Come on, up you go.
He's 10.
Yeah.
It's a keeper. Keeper sea bass.
All right. All right, I got something going here.
Needed that?
No. Is that a sea bass?
That's another grunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like what I got.
Yeah. Well, oh, stop swallowing the food.
Yeah.
They like the shrimp.
Yeah, that's what did happen.
Hey, it looks huge, doesn't he? He's about 6 inches long. Goodbye, go back and grow up. And somebody else caught a sea bass.
10 is kind of long.
It's nice water out here, and of course we're at a nearly dead calm. And we're sort of done. Well, we got a long ways to go. We're still 3-4 miles out. Look at that, Mullet Island is like an acre now. Should call a developer and see if we could get something going out there.
It's all right to go through.
This poor guy probably got caught.
Is it all right to go through? Yes, we're good. Just keep it down.
Yeah, they're replacing buoy pilings here. The old one got washed away and it had a big sign on it. Yeah, he's got a level there. Lucy, you gonna miss me? Huh? I'll bet you do. I'll be back. So that's it. Episode 16, the season finale is in the books. We had some excitement. We went way out in the ocean. And the only sad point is that we had no winner in our Guess the Tonnage contest. So the Ferrari has got to go back in the prize closet until next year. And if you believe that, well, whatever. Good night, everybody.